Blocking someone on HBO Max can help you manage your viewing experience and ensure privacy. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device or visit the HBO Max website on your browser. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are signed into the account where you want to block the user. Step 3. Go to Profile Settings. Navigate to your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Manage Profiles or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Select the profile to block. Choose the specific profile of the user you want to block. This will take you to the settings for that profile. Step 5. Block the user. Look for the option to block or restrict access for that profile. Follow the prompts to confirm the action and complete the blocking process. Now you have successfully blocked the user on HBO Max. If you need further assistance, refer to the help section on the HBO Max website.